Hello and welcome to an unboxing. I got my steak knife out. It's sundownaudio U-6.5 SW D4. The sun has gone down, just settled down. I thought this would be a good time to do an unboxing. And yes, that was an ambulance that just drove by my street. Sorry about the noise. Somebody's life is getting saved right now. Thank God. Okay, let's get this box opened up and see what we have inside here. Take your trusty steak knife and cut your way through the plastic tape. What do you got inside this box? You have a series of other boxes. Let's take a quick look inside. You can see there's another box inside of this box. Let's turn this box upside down. And voila. You have two boxes inside of one box. Oops, be careful. This stuff is dangerous. Let's open up these boxes with your trusty steak knife. There's no other way to open a box. It's so satisfying. What do you have inside this box? Let's take a closer look without tearing apart my camera setup. We've got a little woofer, a little subwoofer here. Can I get this out single-handedly? No, it's too heavy. It's too heavy for me to pull out. There it is. Whoa, look at this thing. Jeez. Well, it's nicely packaged. Styrofoam. It's in good condition. That box can go back in that box. And now we have this to look at. A 6.5-inch woofer. Nice quality surround. Ooh, that is stiff. Oh yeah, that's stiff. That's rigid for sure. Nice cage, polished, painted, smooth. Terminals seem to be working good. What gauge is that? I don't know if that's 8 gauge. I don't think so. And the magnet, the bottom of the subwoofer, all nice and shiny and new. I don't know if you can see it flashing like that. Got the boot around the magnet. Sundownaudio branding. But basically, there you have it. I got 2 of these bad boys. Got 2 more in the mail coming. That'll give me a total of 4. 4 of these D4s should give me a 2-ohm load, which is what I'm looking for. All right, I just wanted to bring a quick unboxing video of a Sundown Audio product I recently purchased. I have no idea what to expect. People are liking this brand or not liking this brand, making comments about how it's overpriced and underrated, and quality made in Korea, made in China. Let's take a closer look where it's made from. As you can see, it is made in X country. That's the woofer. That's the unboxing. There's the rest of my boxes falling over. I'm thanking you for joining me today for this unboxing. It is sundown, and this is sundown. Thanks for watching.